Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. The most important thing for success is taking action. Just thinking or planning is not enough. Progress begins when you start working. Those who act get results. Even small steps can bring big changes. You learn and improve by taking action. Don't delay, start today. Without action, opportunities are lost. Consistent action takes you to your goals. So, if you want success, start taking action now. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.